It's been a little while since I've posted, so let's let me tell you what's been going on.
What you learn as you get older, you must become a man one day. Put away childish things. It ain't hard to tell.
Pulled the front subframe off the E30, had it sandblasted, and then welded Condor Speed Shop's subframe and sway bar reinforcement plates, and then had it powder coated. Solid, and it looks good too. So that's done. That's one thing. Now, in order to do that, I had to pull a bunch of things off of the car. The strut assemblies, the brake assembly, the steering links, the lower control arms, and the lollipops. And I broke a bolt off in the chassis, in the frame, whatever you want to call it. But I broke a bolt off, but I got it out. Wasn't easy, but it's done. So that wasn't fun, but I got it. It's fixed the right way. And thanks to my friends at Euro Parts, we've got PowerFlex Black Series bushings, front and rear. So we went ahead and pressed the front ones into these lollipops for the lower control arms. These are ready to be installed and make the car stiffer and ride better. I got the offset bushings because of my next thing I gotta show you. So I also rebuilt the struts. Now the only thing that's new on here is the strut itself, which isn't anything fancy, just sort of a stock strut, and then these little dust shields for the bearing. Everything else, I just painted and cleaned. A lot of hard work and elbow grease. Now these springs are new to me, but they're used. They're Ibach sport springs. I don't know the rates. I got a really good deal on them on a forum. I just sandblasted them and cleaned them up. They're not pretty, but they'll do. So, cleaned all this up really nice, rebuilt it in black, of course. So, front suspension is ready to go. And then I did some more stuff. I put Condor Speed Shop's power steering delete, motor mounts, and transmission mounts on the car. And that's in addition to the Condor Speed Shop sway bar reinforcements and subframe reinforcements on this front subframe. Now I've been making videos for them so you can see the how-to start showing up on Condor's channel. I'll link that below. Good quality stuff, good quality folks. Oh, and I replaced the brake fittings up front. No more rust, all nice and clean. Anyway, so that's what I've been up to. I have not disappeared, haven't gone anywhere. I've just been working hard, kind of figuring some things out, things that aren't exactly video friendly. I mean, you don't want to see me burning myself and doing things wrong. You want to see it done right. Or maybe you want to see it done wrong, and if that's the case, I failed you. So yeah, I've torn apart the whole front end of this car and slowly rebuilt it, and I'm stoked on it. I'm excited. So, in my opinion, it's going to be better than it was new. I mean, it's a billion times better than when I bought this car. No more rust on that front end. I've cleaned everything up, rebuilt that subframe, rebuilt all those suspension components, got new things, even nuts and bolts, just getting it clean. So, now I'm going to put it together, and then we're going to move on to the back. Hopefully the back's not as hard as the front, but I think it's going to be harder. Anyway, just been busy. And no, I have not forgotten about the M3. Anyway, I love the M3. I will be making a video on that very soon. But first I gotta put this front end together. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and buy some merch. Support Black Flag. Let's build some cars. Let's learn to be better drivers. Thank you. We'll see you soon. I rebuilt the struts, and they're heavy. Shut up, UPS! Woo! Woo, it's hot. Woo! Car's ready to... Car's... Airplane. Sway bar. Shh! Go!